Hello everyone, I'm Miao. Welcome to Miao's Survival Chinese. It's a practical mini-series under Miao's life, where you will learn simple, useful, and real Chinese to survive your next adventure in China. Today, we are diving into one of the most situations in China. Shopping. We all love shopping. And sorry, this is my cat. We all love shopping. And of course, in shopping malls, you cannot bargain. But when there are some, street stalls or souvenir stands, you will definitely try to bargain. So, for example, the commercial street at the Great Wall. I saw a lot of foreigners buy stuff at the commercial street at the Great Wall, the roadside stores. So when you buy goods from the roadside stores, you don't be shy. Just try to bargain and started by offering half the price. Yes, you heard me right. Half the price. Started by that. So how do you see these useful phrases in Chinese? Let's find out. Yeah, all these phrases are already on my board. See, the first sentence. 多少钱？多少钱 means how much is it? How much? 多少钱 And then next one. 太贵了，太贵了 means too expensive. So, when you buy the goods, at the souvenir stalls, and so just use these two sentences. First, 多少钱? How much? And no matter how much is it, and say 太贵了，太贵了. And the next one, cheaper. Can you make it cheaper? So that's 便宜点儿. That's the Beijing local said. We use er. This er. Can you see that? Oh. Only Beijing locals see this word a lot. So this with so 便宜点儿 or 点儿，便宜点儿。Cheaper, please. 便宜点儿。And the next one, 我要这个。I want this one. If you want to buy one thing, just tell the staff, 我要这个。我要这个 means I want this one. 我要这个。And next one is I don't want it. So it's 不要。不要 No, I don't want it. 不要 when you walking on the street and someone promote their goods for you, you can just say it to the people. See, 不要 Say 不要 means no, I don't want it. 不要 And the last one, 我再看看 I'll look around and think about it. So it means 我再看看我再看看 I'll look around and think about it. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sentences and teach you how to bargain. How much is it? 多少钱 Too expensive. 太贵了 Cheaper, please. 便宜点儿 I want this one. 我要这个 I don't want it. 不要 I'm looking around and think about it. 我再看看 Just remember, in many places in China, bargaining is totally normal. So don't be shy. Just try it. Try it. 太贵了，便宜点儿。Yeah, too expensive. Make it cheaper. Just try it. Okay, that's all for today's teaching. Miao's Survival Chinese. Hope you can use it one day when you traveling in China. Bye bye.